If you're a travel and hiking fan, here's one of the best tourist destinations. Turkey. Turkey's most important tourist cities. The best destination and attractions in Turkey. Turkey is one of the most popular tourist countries in the world and has become one of the 5 most popular destinations in the world, with dozens of destinations and areas worth visiting and giving it its strategic location between the continents of Asia and Europe and a special character, combining the charm of the East with the development of the West and becoming a destination for visitors from all over the world. Turkey is a country rich in attractions such as shrines, historic buildings, mosques, open markets, and huge commercial centers. Because of its geographical nature, the landscape is diverse, from high mountains, waterfalls and valleys, lakes and charming beaches. Recreational activities that visitors can do also range from city tours, shopping, mountain adventures, cruises, and ice skating. It's an ideal summer and winter holiday destination. Turkey now has a dual identity, an Eastern Islamic identity and a Western secular identity that has enabled it to bring together many cultures that do not exist in any country other than Turkey. So say what you find another country that competes with Turkey's tourist cities with its cultural diversity, providing you with natural places, historical landmarks, coastal resorts, and ski centers. All this has made Turkey a world-class tourist attraction that ranks as one of the best tourism destinations in the world. Turkey is one of the most beautiful tourist countries around the world and is visited by a large number of visitors throughout the year. As according to the latest statistics for 2017, more than 32 million visitors from different Arab and European countries. Due to the distinctive beauty of Turkey's tourist places as well as its charming nature and long history, Turkey's most famous tourist cities include Istanbul, Trabzon, Antalya, Bursa, Bodrum, Spanga, Cappadocia, and others. In Turkey's Tour Guide, we review comprehensive information on the best tourist destinations in Turkey and each of its famous tourist cities.